Brother Nate helping me out here. We're going to put some 1.5-inch angle iron.
The hand of God won't be refused.
Nate has cleaned that up nice. We're happy with where the angle iron is. There'll be another piece right here. This is going to be DC stick 7018. 7018 is what he's using on this. You know, back when my Jeep had 35-inch tires, it was just constantly getting pummeled under there. So I went kind of heavy duty, but it's a very heavy piece of armor. One thing I love about getting projects done at Nate's is you can always count on Recon Jeeper being on in the background on the channel.
Probably rip before those welds break. Depends on the impact you put on it.
Well, hopefully it'll just be less prone to cave in on me now. After a couple of times caving in and straightening out, you start to wonder about the strength. But I think this angle iron idea will really beef it up good. Thank you, man. Nice job. Nice job.
I'll make you